Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how you can make some beautiful home decor using these Dollar Tree wall stickers. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Dollar Tree does carry so many different beautiful wall stickers. Now these are a few that I have. For this video, I will be using the blue ones. It's 3 sheets. Starting with my first project, I will be using this wood sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint it white. The first sheet I will be using is this one that says Beyond Measure Bless. Now this bless sign, when you remove it from the sheet, there is like some clear parts. So what I decided to do is just to cut them off. If you want to go a step further, you can cut off like the inside of the B, the E's, and the S and the D. Basically all of them except the L. And this is how it looks. Now Dollar Tree does carry transfer sheets that you can use, so it can be nice and straight. I opted to do it the harder way. So I started off with the B and slowly started to remove the back. Alright, so I'm going to decorate this a little more, and I will be using this other sheet right here that goes with this bless sign. I'm going to remove some of these little leaves, and this one I decided to cut it in half because it was too big. I am using this to also cover those little holes that this sign has. Here's where I started to decorate this using some of the gold leaves and the blue leaves, and I also went to another sheet to add some of the leaves that the other sheet had. I also do want to point it out that on the corner you can see that Beyond Measure little sign, which honestly I totally forgot to add it. As I was editing my video, I was like, wait a minute, this one said Beyond Measure, not bless only. But you have space on top of the bless sign to add this Beyond Measure sign if you decide to add it. And that is it. Look how beautiful this bless sign turned out. For my next project, I will be using this other beautiful sheet right here. This comes with the other two. Now this one has birds and some gold leaves. What I'm going to do is just put them around this Dollar Tree LED candle. To decorate this a little more, I will be wrapping some jute twine to the candle. Then I will be making a bow and add it. But that is it. Look how cute this candle turned out. My next project is another quick and easy one from Dollar Tree. I will be painting one of these wood planks white. For this sign, I will be using the sheet with the bird and the other one with the gold leaves. I'm going to add one bird at the corner, then a gold leaf. But before I finish adding the leaves, I'm going to paint this Dollar Tree wood sign that says Hope using the Waverly chalk paint. Actually, the Waverly Antique Wax, not the chalk paint, sorry. And I'm going to glue it down first before I add the gold leaves. I'm going to just add the leaves here and there. And that is it. Look how beautiful this hope sign turned out. Alright, so for my next project, I will be using this wall art frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the back and paint it white. Now for the frame, I decided to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. But first, I did sand it down so then the wax can stick more. Moving on, the next thing I will be using is this tree sheet, which honestly I thought I was going to use. I still want to show you though because this frame still turned out beautiful with just the tree. So what I did is I just cut it to size and added the sticker to the back and then added the frame. And honestly, this would have looked just fine if I would have just left it like that. But since I had some of the other stickers left over, I decided to just start adding stickers to this. And that's when I realized that the trees didn't go with this. So what I ended up doing is removing the trees and then just added the gold leaves, the birds. And to finish it off, I had a belief wood sign that I painted using the antique wax and added that in the center. And that completes this beautiful belief sign. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching and until next time, bye.